Hi, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Haley Santella, and I lead the product marketing division here at WhipAround. In today's video, I wanted to highlight the top features that we hear customers raving about. These will most likely be the same things you're interested in as well. Before we dive in, I wanted to give you a quick introduction into what we do. Here at WhipAround, we help companies of all sizes remain safe, stay compliant, and keep their equipment operational through our inspection and maintenance software. Now, the first feature I want to talk about is inspections. Our easily customizable inspections tool is a fan favorite, giving you the peace of mind that your equipment or vehicle is in operational order when you need it. For example, you might have a driver needing to do a pre-trip inspection of their truck before heading out every day. Or you might have a fire extinguisher that needs to be monitored on a monthly basis. Whatever you need to have checked or reviewed, WhipAround's customizable digital inspection forms make it a breeze. Now, the next top feature we're going to talk about rolls off of you using inspections. If a defect is noted during an inspection, that defect can automatically be turned into a work order and communicated to your team. Let's say that truck in the last example was inspected and has a busted taillight. You will not have to worry about that note being lost in the shuffle. Your fleet managers and mechanics will know right away. This helps you to keep your business running as efficient as possible. Now, the last top feature I want to mention is preventative maintenance, or PM for short. Our customers love that preventative maintenance eliminates the hard thinking and uncertainty, keeping processes simple and predictable. You'll get reminders and automated work orders when a vehicle or piece of equipment needs a regular tune-up. No longer will you be second guessing if one of your assets needs an oil change. You'll be able to rest easy knowing that your assets are in tip-top shape. As we come to the close of today's video, I wanted to leave you with a few things to keep in mind. These 3 features have been vital to the success of our top customers. And in the coming weeks, we'll be diving into each of these a little bit further, giving you the tips and tricks to succeed as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button so you're notified when we upload next. Thank you so much for your time today. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.